Nigga, I'm bored as fuck, ain't got shit to do. J motherfucking Mag. I'm going in. Hold up, nigga. Let me spit right quick. Hold up, nigga. Let me get this shit. See, I kill the motherfucking beat when I'm on it. I got some new components. Holla at a nigga if you really want it. I'm coming from California, sipping on Corona. Got a bitch named Miss Sonia, and yeah, she's down to bone ya. I ain't fucking tripping, cause a nigga about to get married. Fuck around with me, I'm a crew. You and your niggas get buried. I'm so fucking mean with this. Top notch team with this. Pour that shit up in my cup and watch a nigga lean with this. Do not give a fuck, cause my mom focus on green with this. Niggas hating on me, so you know I hit you beaming shit. What you wanna talk about? 22s refuse to lose. I tie my shoes, I hit the court, I hit you niggas in the streets. Nah, you can't even fucking play with me, cause I got some dudes that is down to fucking spray with me. They lay with me, no fucking homo. Beat the beat like Tony Romo. Well, that nigga is hella weak. I come up like Palomalo. I hit you with that helmet shit, that stealer shit, that killer shit. Hating on me cause my motherfucking flow is real, bitch. I do not give a fuck cause I'm coming from the bottom. Only way to go from fucking here is top. You and your niggas fucking flop like fish when I'm on this shit, and then I wipe you down like this. No, I wipe myself down cause I'm clean as fuck. Nigga, watch me piss. Do not give a fuck cause you and your crew is hella weak, nigga. Coming straight through. Who the fuck you seen, nigga? No peak, nigga, no Drake, nigga, no motherfucking Drake, nigga. I toss that nigga in the lake ass nigga. Fuck that bitch ass fake ass nigga. Do not give a fuck cause I'm killing shit when I'm on the microphone. Niggas hating on me cause I'm in the crew and I am on some other shit. And I'm under fucking cover shit. Motherfucking discover shit. Niggas hating on me gloving shit. Let me switch the flow. Let me take it slow. I'm coming back, nigga. 760. J-Max so fucking cold. Yeah, that nigga on froze. He bout to come around and make it fucking snow. Wait till he get a show. Well, he don't want a show. He do this shit for fun. My nigga's number one. Been doing this shit since I was 8, but I bang like 808 when I'm on the fucking track. Fucking with who? J-Max. See, I'm all about this lyrical poem shit feeling forever. And niggas is hating on me. Hottest thing about the desert. And I'm coming so fucking clean and top notch fucking team with this. These niggas is hating on me. Put Leo Buddy and Green with this. Hold up. Wait a fucking minute. Let me straight diminish. I tell you how I finish. I keep on going after the beat cause I keep on flowing and I'm never ever stopping shit. My mind focused on always fucking popping shit. Talking about your bubble, bitch. Now you is in trouble, bitch. Run around your fucking body, leave you niggas in a ditch. I'm stupid. Fuck it.